5:59 AM time check. Grabe. Sabog pa ako. But yeah, good morning guys. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. But yeah, kahapon wala tayong video kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. And I think overfatigue ako sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ko. So I took the time off yesterday to have some rest. And thankfully na ngayon nakapag-sleep na ako. Parang medyo gumaan yung pakiramdam ko actually. Mas nagkaroon ako ng energy and hopefully let's start our day. So I'll be heading down to the gym in a bit just to get some air out of my body lang and para makapag-get going lang with our day. And after that, we can now continue with our video and do with the things na gagawin natin that is allotted for the rest of the day. But anyway, I'll just go to the gym na. So I just finished going to the gym and yeah, kakatapos ko lang din mag-shower and now I feel all refreshed. So now let's dive into this video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. But guys, take a look at this. Bitcoin is currently breaking down exactly as predicted. And this is actually one we have been mentioning na nga for the past few days na we are seeing a massive warning within the daily time frame and not only in the 4-hour time frame kasi diba sa 4-hour time frame may pinakita tayong mga analysis na may nakikita tayong bearish movement. And on top of that, we are going to dive in with those different analysis for today's video. And yeah, regarding this analysis, ipakita ko sa inyo isang short clip tungkol sa analysis na ginawa natin tungkol sa itong movement na to. You can actually see na we are actually forming a rising wedge within the daily time frame. And we all know rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. And let's try to open a much clearer chart. And this is actually an example of this much clearer chart. You can see now, we are actually forming this massive rising wedge, and traditionally a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. So in this case, if you're going to break to the downside, then it's more likely now we have a potential movement of up until the $19,000 US kasi of course, traditionally ang target ng rising wedge is the bottom of the wedge. So ayun yung clip ng ating analysis regarding this movement, itong daily time frame rising wedge. And diba sabi ko sa inyo doon, ang ating daily time frame rising wedge is actually a bearish pattern to the downside, and ang potential target natin dito would be the $19,000 US. And as you can see right now, we are currently breaking down. And then, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, we are going to open a short position once nagkaroon ng daily candle close below the support area. And then at the same time, maglalagay tayo ng stop loss. If na-meet na natin yung first target, adjust natin yung stop loss into a trail stop. And then right now, yung ating next target, which is around the 21,200, or actually around this area, we are starting to meet those movement exactly as predicted. And right now, we're going to adjust our trail stop within that area. So as you can see, right now, it's all looking good right now with the Bitcoin price. Our analysis are pretty much accurate so far. So congratulations guys if you have been trading this. And ako guys, I've been trading this on BYBIT, and as you can see, I've been opening this trade on my BYBIT copy trade. So if wala pa kayong BYBIT account, remember to sign up with my sign up link first, and then mag-cash in kayo using BYBIT. At the same time, you can actually follow me by searching my name on BYBIT copy trade under the name of Gabbal Crypto, and then you can actually copy trade me. But with that being said, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So, diba, right now we are actually seeing that breakdown. Let's also try to look at this within the 4-hour time frame. So if you're going to zoom in into the 4-hour time frame, namitan din natin yung ating isang analysis natin sa ating previous analysis. What we were monitoring was also this rising wedge within the 4-hour time frame. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, that is a bearish pattern of up until the $23,000 US. And look at that, it has now met our target 2 exactly as predicted. And as you can see, if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see na we are actually oversold dito sa ating Bitcoin price action. So in this case, I don't think na maganda humabol ngayon ng short-term trade dito sa 4-hour time frame. So I don't think na maganda mag-short ngayon since nag-short tayo ng isang araw and then ngayon nakahabol na tayo. So right now, I think this is a take profit area for the time being. But when it comes to a daily time frame standpoint, I think ang pwede kasi mangyari dito if let's say nag-oversold tayo dun sa sa 4-hour time frame, we might consolidate dito muna further within the Bitcoin price before heading to the one last push to the downside up until the $19,000. So right now, as you can see, dito I think we can potentially form a very short-term bullish divergence siguro in the hourly as well as in the 4-hour time frame. But dito sa area na yan, by the moment na if let's say we are not seeing any buy volume and then let's say we have started testing the resistance dito. And as you can see right now, this area is now going to act as a resistance. Itong area na to around the 22,400 or 22,500, around that area that is going to act as a resistance. If let's say we are going to get rejected by that area, then we can actually more likely continue this downward movement dito kay Bitcoin price action. Ang kagandahan kasi niyan, marireset yung RSI natin at pag na-reset siya, we can actually now continue to the downside. So right now, ganun yung nakikita natin movement with the Bitcoin price action, and if let's say that plays out, our technical target dito for the Bitcoin price action would be around the $19,000. And take note guys, always remember to take profit along the way and always secure your capital by placing stop loss. And of course, always secure your profit by placing a trail stop dito para if ever, let's say, Bitcoin starting going to the upside at nag-lead siya in the fake out, kahit papano, na-secure natin yung ating profits with this latest Bitcoin price action. Take note guys, you can actually open this trade too in BYBIT. And if you want to learn how to open a long and short trade dito kay BYBIT, you can actually check out this tutorial video na you can find in the description down below. So ayun muna update natin for the time being guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.